It is a perfect day to have a cup of tea, look at the rain, and just relax. Hello my lovelies, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am sitting here drinking a cup of hot tea. This was in a previous Tea Pray Love box, and I have the September Tea Pray Love box, which I am very excited to show you. This is a bi-monthly box, only comes out 6 times a year, and this has been my favorite box for 2023. Good news, bad news. Good news is I have a code that will give you 10% off the box. I'll leave a link below. The code is Jane. The bad news is this particular box is gone. Yes, but they do have a comparable box called the Welcome Box, the same price on their website. I highly suggest you check it out, and if you are interested in the November box, sign up for their newsletter and you'll get a notification when to go get that box. So every month it comes like this. How they pack everything in this box is amazing, because it's not really a huge box, but they sure know how to pack it. We take off the little tape, and we always get a book that lists everything in the box with the pricing. Now, some items, there are variations on it, so you can get different things, but the same company, same variant. I am going to list the pricing on the screen for everything as I go along, so you can see what I see, and you'll see the real value of the box. The box is $42.95 a month, I believe, and what you receive adds up to way more than that. So here's our little booklet, and there is a quote. Our September message is, autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. Let things go. Yes, it's good to let things go, and they should be gone and never come back again, as far as I'm concerned. That is an unknown quote, but I can embrace that. I can embrace that today, actually. So let's go with the first item. This is tea with Thai. Now, there are a few variations of tea with Thai in the September box. I got the tin. This is 2 ounces of tea. On the caffeine scale, it's 2 out of 3, and it is a white peony tea. I did take a look at this earlier, because you know why? I'll be quite honest with you. I already filmed this video. I filmed it, I had everything done. I accidentally, permanently deleted it. So this is my second filming for you guys. This is perfect tea. Smells so robust. Obviously, you're gonna put this in a teapot, you're gonna put it in a diffuser, or sometimes you can put the leaves right in your teapot. They soak to the bottom, and drink it that way. But this will make quite a bit of tea for you. I love loose leaf tea. To me, it's not as convenient as the bag, but it tastes just as good. And this tin is like waiting for me to reuse this tin. This would be perfect to plant like a succulent in it, or a small plant. So that's the first item. They do have a coffee box. I did get the tea box 2 boxes ago. I did get the coffee box, and it was just as wonderful. This is $12.75 value, but I'm gonna look it up since there were some variations on this tea. Okay, second thing we got was a pumpkin spice mug cake. You just add some butter and an egg, mix it well, put it in your favorite mug, and microwave it. This was valued at $7. Going along in this box, this is one of my favorite items. Are you into like a boho chic type of prints and stuff. Well, this is a boho ceramic coaster set of 6 coasters with a little holder. Let me show you this. It's so adorable. We use coasters all the time. It's just something we do, just like we always use placemats. We always use coasters. It's just something we do in my house. There are 6 coasters and 3 different designs. It comes with a little wire holder. Let me show you the 3 designs because they're really great. This one is my favorite design. Got 2 of those. And then we got 2 of these. It says inhale, exhale, which I had to do quite a bit after I realized I deleted the video. Inhale, exhale, curse a little bit, and then, you know, compose. And then this one, good vibes. Good vibes. We just want good vibes today, right? Right. It is Friday, at least here in my world, your world too. So that's what we got. Coaster set. Very nice. And I believe that was, I memorized $19.99 for the coaster set. Then we got this really nice little drawstring bag. And if you like the smell of sweet apple, you are going to get crisp apple soap. This is a vegan, handmade, all-body soap by this company called Green Daffodil, and it smells amazing. You might want to just keep this out for a little while, maybe in your drawers or in a room, because the smell is just really strong and it's really good. It smells like sweet apples, and I like that smell. And we got three teas: a white peach. It says Agiago teas for this one. We got a Bigelow Cranberry Harvest tea, and we got another tea with Thai, Spa Bliss it's called, chamomile, lavender, lemon, verbena, and spearmint. Very nice. So 3 teas and a soap in the bag. I'm not sure if she put a retail value for that. She did. That's $4.50 for the soap. The teas are thrown in. And the soap is handmade in Michigan. If you didn't know, Tea Pray Love is also a woman-owned small business based in Michigan. The last time I was in Michigan was 1991 with my ex-husband and my son, who was a baby at the time. That was the last time I was there. Actually, the only time I was there. And it was a really beautiful state, very pretty. Then we got some face cream. This is Nuria. You're gonna get either a moisturizer or moisturizer/serum. I got the moisture replenishing serum, and I looked this up already, the pricing. This is $27.06 at Walmart, or on the Nuria website, it is on sale for $24. So you're either gonna get this or one of 4 different types of products, from creams to an eye cream. And I love me a good serum. And check this out. It has a dropper. It's a glass dropper. And you just expel your product just like that. Very, very nice. And it snaps on. Really, just, it's not going anywhere. Nice, nice, nice. And then the last item we got corresponds with the pen. Everybody's gonna get a pen. I got a red sparkly one. It's a gel pen. Who doesn't like a good gel pen? This is a book by Habit Nest. I am a journaler, a junk journaler. I've never had a Habit Nest journal though. This is the Finally Conquer Your Mornings journal that is 66 days of journaling. You can do it every day for 66 days, or maybe that will take you 90 days. It's just up to you. And it is a journal to help you plan your day, conquer your mornings. I'll give you a bunch of cues in here. Get focused, turbocharge your mornings, increase your productivity, outlining your most important task of the day, has new daily challenges, strategies, and it's dedicated to create an accountability system for you. This Habit Nest company also makes other journals for like nutrition, meditation, weightlifting, booty shaping, and resistance training. I am actually glad that I got a morning journal because I'm not a morning person. And there's all sorts of prompts and activities to do for a 66-day period. They want you to read about it first before you start, to read about the mission, and then you would start with day 1. So this is the kind of journal you write in it, mark it up however you choose. And you know, if it's not for you, this would make a fantastic gift for somebody. So I really appreciated this journal. It also has blank pages in the back to use as a diary or thoughts. And it's just a self-improvement journal. It comes with a little closure and a bookmark. So very nice, especially to hold yourself accountable to accomplishing stuff. I try to accomplish stuff every day. Some days I'm really good and some days I do the minimum. But, so, enough about me. Let's go through a quick recap. We got the journal. I got the serum by Urea. Tea with Tay, the white penne. Love this reusable tin. Got the beautiful soap and 3 teas with the little plastic drawstring bag, not plastic, cloth drawstring bag, the pen, the really nice boho coaster set, and the mug dessert, mug cake, pumpkin spice. Very nice. Beautiful box. This is such a nice treat for yourself. I recommend grabbing this, signing up, and seeing when their November box is coming out. And if you want to have a little push, I got a 10% code. Use the word Jane as a code. I'll leave the link down below, and you can get 10% off one box, or if you want to do a subscription. So let me know what you think, guys. This is I don't know, I gush over this box. I really appreciate you watching today. I hope you are all having a great day, a great weekend coming up, and let me know your thoughts. If you so choose to subscribe to my channel, I would love it. I love new subbies, and give me a like and a thumbs up would be so helpful. And I will see you all in the next video. Mwah! Love you all. Bye.